Hello, my name is Mike McKinn and I am your instructor for NETI105 online version, summer of 2017. What I'm going to do is just kind of talk to you a little bit about what you're getting yourself into for this 8 weeks and some helpful hints, etc., how to submit assignments and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, as indicated in the email that I sent you, or the announcement that I posted yesterday, one of the first things that you're going to want to do is log into Net Academy, Cisco Network Academy. And once you successfully do so, you should get a screen that looks similar to this, which will list all the courses that you're currently enrolled in. I'm logged in under my student credentials so that you can see, so I can see exactly what you would see. And what you see here is I have all the classes that I've been enrolled in previously as well as currently. So you're going to see something that looks like NETI105 Summer 2017, and you're just simply going to launch the course, and then you're going to be able to run the course as so. Yeah, this is kind of a navigation bar over here on the left, and if you just click My Netacad, it'll take you back to all your courses again. So to get a good start on this class, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the PT101 course, and this is basically a tutorial on how to use Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer is the software that you will use to do a vast majority of your exercises or homework assignments in this class. This is something that needs to be installed on your computer, and it also requires that you're running the latest version of Java. So it's real important that you go through this, because this will take you through the steps of successfully installing the software on your computer. Then once you get through that and everything's good, then the actual course is in material or course content is in the NETI105 Summer 2017 course. And once you launch that, you will get a screen such as this. And what the first thing you're going to want to do when you get in here is you're going to want to go into Student Resources, and you're going to want to take the course navigation overview. This will kind of tell you what all this kind of stuff is all about that you're seeing here. But just real quickly, while I've got you here, I do want to point out something. As far as this menu here, you know, all your chapter modules are under the modules section, so all your chapters are on there, and the only thing that you're actually going to be counting towards your grade is the chapter exams in this module section. So, you know, you've got a one-time shot to do these. I do need to enable these for you, which I will do here in the next probably 24 hours. And you do have one shot to take them, and you're graded and given feedback instantaneously on those. The other place you can find the chapter's exams is under the Assignments tab. And all your assignments are listed on here. And what I need to do yet is to put some due dates on here. But you know what? I don't think I'm going to do that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I'll take that back. I'm going to put dates on it because I want things to flow in the order as they do on the course calendar. I think it'll be less confusing. So when you come to this and you click on by date, what you should see is you should see all this flow exactly in the order that it does on the course calendar, which you can find on My Ivy or Ivy Learn. And so I should get that done for you here within the next 24 hours. But in the meantime, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to read Chapter 1 and make sure that you and also, you know, under the student resources, learn your navigation, that sort of thing. One thing I will though mention to you is how to submit assignments. When you complete packet tracers and labs, what you will do is you'll go to the appropriate assignment and you'll click on it, And what you can do then is you can, by click Submit Assignment, um, it'll allow you to upload files. So for packet tracer assignments, you'll submit a completed PDF file, which is um, um, in the assignment. If you follow the link, there's a PDF file, and then when you complete your packet tracer, if it is a packet tracer assignment, you will save that to your local drive, and then you'll upload that here as well. So that's how you go about that. So as an example here, if we go to the assignment, I just put the link right here in the assignment, and you can drill down to this in the course too. But this takes you right to the packet tracer, and you can see that the instructions is the PDF file. And when you open that, there's oftentimes fill in the blank kind of answers that you'll need to complete, and then save that to your local drive, and ultimately upload that as I just showed you. And then configuring the initial switch settings, that's the packet tracer file. When you open that, it'll basically open that up within packet tracer, which you will need to have installed on your machine. I will just go ahead and open that so you can kind of see what that's about. So I'm going to open that. That'll take a second here. Or 2 seconds maybe. Perhaps 3. It will come up, I promise. It sounds like it's starting to want to cooperate. You'll get this prompt for user profile. You just click through that, and you say yes if the activity will reset. That's normal. And what you'll get is you'll get an initial topography that you will use to do the particular exercise, and then you just simply open the PDF file, and these are your instructions, and you just basically go through the instructions and do what it tells you on the PDF file, in your PDF window. Or I'm sorry, your packet tracer window. So that's what there is there, and then of course, you'll save your packet tracer once you fill in the blanks. This is an answer. So you'll fill out the document. It's all filled out. You'll save it to your local drive by clicking the diskette here, and you'll save it to your local drive. And then with the packet tracer, once you've done everything that you're supposed to in there, you'll do a file, you'll do a save as, or a save, I guess, and it should prompt you to put that into your perhaps it is save as. Yeah, do a save as, and save that PKA file, actually is what it is, to your local drive, and that'll save all the things you have done in that packet tracer to your local drive. And then once that's all done, what you'll do is you'll go back to your assignment, you will click browse, and then you will just go to your local drive and pick off those 2 files. So you want to do them both at the same time, because well, actually you just want to make sure you get both documents up there successfully, and then what will happen is that'll show up on the gradebook for me that you have submitted them, and then what I will do is I will check them off as complete. So what I do on the assignments is you can see how many points are possible, and there's a couple of videos that I say you ought to look at, but they're not graded. But you can see most of these are worth 1 point, and all of these assignments are worth, in total, are worth 15% of your grade. So if you get behind or whatever and you don't do a few of these, it's not going to be catastrophic to your grade. But there is, probably 20, it looks like about 20 of them here. I haven't counted them lately, of these assignments that that if you complete them all will be 15% of your grade. Now what I do is I check and make sure that you did them. I do not grade them. I just make sure that you've completed them. So I do make sure people aren't submitting blank assignments to get their point, but other than that, if you do make an honest attempt at them, you're going to get full credit. So if you put in the work, you're going to get 15% perfect score on this right off the bat. So that's how that works, okay? So that's the assignments, and then of course like I said, the chapter exams I will enable, and you will take those as you need to. And then there's a hands-on skills exam, which we will talk about later in the course, and a final exam. So just to review, assignments 15% of your grade. Chapter exams 50% of your grade. So you need to really pay attention to your reading. And then there's going to be a skills exam, which is kind of a cumulative exercise on all the things that you've done in your assignments. And then a final exam, which is worth 20% of your grade, and that's like a 60 question, multiple choice, fill in the blank, matching kind of exam that you'll take the final week of the course. So the final week of the course, you'll take the final exam and the skills exam. Chapter exams are ongoing, and the assignments are ongoing. So